August 29th, going back to Wales. Not only going back to Wales, going to the #1 promotion in Wales.
#1.
Britannia Wrestling.
Well,
Take on the Young Upstarts. Remember when we were Young Upstarts?
I do remember that.
Long time
And
ago.
I feel like everywhere we go, we take on this new, fresh, the next big tag team. In this case, it's the YOLO Squad.
Yeah, looking to make your name off the most lethal tag team in the world today. I can appreciate that. I can even respect it, but it's not going to happen. You go against the Wolves, you go down like the rest. Let the hunt begin.